Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more likes on OkCupid app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you're logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to get more likes on OkCupid, you need to update your profile frequently with new photos or text. You need to share more about yourself in your profile. You need to answer as more questions about yourself. You can do so by going into your profile. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on the profile at the top section. Here you can find different details about your profile. You can update every single details about you. You can update your complete profile. You can write a self-summary. You can write your current goals. You can set your preferences over here and give a description about yourself so that people would get to know more about yourself. You can also get verified with your account and that will help you to get more likes on your profile. So that's it. That's a very simple process to get likes on OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.